Hey, this is Spencer Sue, your Bay Area real estate agent, and welcome to the vibrant community of Glen Loma Ranch, built by Pointe Community. This area only has 67 homes, and they are going through the final phases of development, with only 6 homes plus some of the model homes that will be released over time. Today, we're going to be exploring 2 of their model homes, with plan number 3 being some of the most popular floor plans that they have. Behind me, you can see they are just wrapping up on a few of these final releases, which will be done in April. And behind me over here, we're gonna go take a look at some of these model homes so that you can see which of the floor plans you like the best, and hopefully you'll be able to see this fast enough to be able to lock in a place before this whole community is sold out. As one of my viewers, you're gonna get an exclusive look at this incredible community. Now, if this is your first time here, welcome to my channel. If you're returning, thank you so much for coming back. Now, before we dive into the details, don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on notifications so you're not gonna miss out on any important updates on the Bay Area real estate market and exclusive property tours just like this community. Now, if this is a community that works for you, I got to go with you for the very first time to be able to get credit, but I can also use my relationships and leverage to help you get the best possible deal depending on the situation of when they're being built. So do not hesitate to reach out so that we can go tour together and we can decide whether this is a community that is right for you or if there's better options for you. Now let's get into plan 2. Okay, we're going to start off with Brix plan 2. Take a look at this. I mean, these are huge homes, over 3,000 square feet. Most of the times, homes this large don't exist anywhere in the Bay Area. So for you to be able to find such a place, starting at $1.4 million, it's a really attractive option for those that have the ability to commute and for those that are heading out to Silicon Valley to work. Now, as you enter in the front, you're gonna see all this open space connecting between your family room, your dining room, and your kitchen. And take a look at these beautiful vaulted ceilings as you enter in your foyer. On the downstairs, you still got a nice full bedroom, full bathroom. So perfect for in-laws or those that do not want to go up and down a flight of stairs, yet still have the convenience for all the communal quarters on this level. What you see a lot more now too is you can see that water faucet over the stove. Most of the time people are using that if they're cooking pasta or they don't want to move hot water back and forth. So what do you think about that setup? Is that something that you would take advantage of? Now, what's pretty cool about this building too is look at this little back section. This could be a giant pantry, but you can see how they have it fitted. You can have a separate fridge there, maybe you have a wine fridge. Like there's so many different options you can have with that massive space in the back. And as you can see, there's no shortage of storage all around. So if you're an at-home chef, this is going to be a perfect option for you. From the kitchen, you'll have direct access into the backyard. Now, you can see some of these lots will have these incredible views of the hills. Now, be mindful, this is a model home, so this is going to be as prime of a lot as there is, but you can still see what are the opportunities they can do in the backspace. Now, as we come upstairs, you're gonna have your remaining bed and bathrooms. However, before we go to the bedrooms, you're gonna still see another separate family communal rooms space. Now you can see there's different built-in desks that are here, but that's up to you to determine how you want to configure it. Here is this shared bathroom with a vanity with dual sinks. You got a nice linen closet here. And enjoy the separate bedrooms with large closets. I mean, this one still has a walk-in closet. And this is not even the primary, this is not the primary bedroom. Here you will see in the other bedroom also another walk-in closet. So all of their closets and so much space in all of these rooms. In this example, they also have the built-in fans up at the ceiling. And here's a little bit of a different layout that you haven't seen too often. So in this case, you can see the laundry room. It's its own separate room, but on the back, as we wrap around, the laundry room actually gets connected to your closet. So as you enter in the primary bathroom here, you'll see plenty of space, beautiful mirrors, dual sink vanities, nice tub. You got a sitting place for your shower. You got a separate toilet here, but as you can see, you got this huge closet, huge walk-in closet. And on the right of this walk-in closet, then you actually have another door to enter in the laundry room. Now it's up to you. If you wanted to, you can always seal that door off, but pretty interesting layout. I have not seen any of that style at all in any new construction. And then last but not least, take a look at this beautiful primary bedroom. Look how spacious this is. You can easily have workstations there. Okay, let's take a look at Plan 3. So Plan 3 is actually bigger than Plan 2. 36 square feet versus the other was a little over 3,000 square feet. I'd love to get your opinion. What do you think about this one versus Plan 2? A little bit of a different layout. You can see as you enter in, different feeling, right? So you can have a beautiful, nice chandelier that's up on top if you wanted to make it very grand. I wanted to highlight a little bit of how high those ceilings are. What's pretty cool about this one is that you actually have basically an in-law unit on this ground level. So this is a different setup because you have a sink. Perhaps maybe you want to install maybe a stovetop. You got a fridge there, full bed and bath with a separate family room space that you can see here, right? So that's a pretty unique setup that you don't see very often. Here's a coat closet that wraps up a little bit underneath the stairs. Here's a half bath, because as you just saw previously, we already saw the full bath. Never mind those things in the back here. This is their construction office, but this is where your garage, side-by-side car garage would be. This is a cool space here because you have your living room, you have your kitchen here on the left-hand side, you have your dining room, so it forms this L shape. This pantry is a little bit different than you saw previously, right? The other one was actually much larger, but this is more of a traditional pantry. You have a door you can walk into, but you can still see plenty of storage all throughout. And the biggest thing I want to highlight here is on the very back. What is that secret room in the back there? That secret room is considered like a flex room. It's not an actual bedroom. But look, it's like a separate poker room, a separate man cave. Could be a she shed. It could be a separate studio. That's really cool. Here you're going to see in the backyard the layout is different. It's all enclosed, right? So it's a really nice design and style for it to be able to have a large table outside, all enclosed, so they'll help with some of the direct sunlight. So lots of different options you can do in the backyard here. As you go up to the second story, we will go check out the rooms first. Here you're going to see your dual sink vanities. This will be the shared bathroom. I believe the rooms for this are actually bigger, so you can take a look at this first bedroom that we're looking at. But it's nice because all of them have this large walk-in closet. So storage is just a huge feature, especially being able to be living out here in Gilroy. Here you got your linen closet. Here's your laundry room. So unlike the other one, this one does not connect to anything, but it's a full separate laundry room. This bedroom here is quite large because altogether This is a total of 4 bedrooms. Here you got a separate communal space. So this communal space will have a lot more natural light because this communal space is actually bigger. I mean, think about it. It's got the curve, so you still got the space for your TV, but you also have that separate nook area. So that's pretty unique. And then let's get into the primary bedroom. You can see those exposed beams, which is beautiful. You also have a nice deck. The other one didn't have this kind of setup, right? And so look how big this deck is so that you can have tremendous views depending on which way your lot faces. The bathroom style is also different. So you'll see, instead of the dual sink vanities that we saw previously, check out how huge this shower stall is. Right? I mean, this is massive. There's no tub here, but massive shower stall. You have the separate sinks and vanities. And then take a look at this closet. I mean, look at all this space. Plenty of storage. I would say it's bigger than what we just saw previously. So if you're considering to make a move to the Bay Area or you're looking to upgrade your lifestyle, let's talk. I got great relationship with these builders and deep expertise in negotiating really the best deals possible for any of my clients. Whether this home is the one for you or you're exploring any other communities in the entire Bay Area, I'd love to be your guide. Feel free to reach out, and my contact information I'm going to leave right over here. And if you have any questions about the market, whether to buy, sell, or invest, what incentives are available at all times, or quite frankly, what's the best possible option for you and your budget, I've got you completely covered. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Let's make your dream home a reality. Go get it.